what is up? Welcome back. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today guys, I'm going to be doing a wash and go with a product that I'm really happy that I purchased. Today's product is going to be by Urban Hydration. It is the Honey Laden Slade Styling Gel. Urban Hydration is a really great Black-owned company. They give back water to the communities all over the world. In 2018, they were able to build a water well in Kenya for all the kids in the whole community, and I just think that is so awesome. Yes, so that's what we are about to do. I just washed my hair and now it is sealed. Now we are going to open it. There's a lot on this foil that I'm going to use, but it's a nice thick chunky gel. It will come out. It's nice and thick. It smells like licorice. Oh, not licorice. I'm not sure. It smells good. This gel is nice and thick. I really love the thickness. I'm thinking maybe I should try to re-wet my hair because it is so thick though. I think I'm gonna need to, because I detangle my hair, but that's never good enough when you don't have a product that has natural slip to it. And that is what it's like. So I am loving this definition. Like, you guys see it. You guys see it. My hair is nice and soft and my curls are defined. I could already tell. Let me continue. This product was so thick on my hair, it did make finger raking very difficult. So I think next time I tried this product, I am going to use the Denman brush because I think that's really the only way. Even the water helped a little bit, but I think that I still needed to use that brush to get through my hair. Open up. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Alright guys, my hair is all dried and I really love the way my hair turned out. I have some really nice curl definition. The gel was so heavy, it helped my curls stay together and it weighed them down, which I kind of don't like about heavier gel because I kind of like my volume to just come out in my hair, and with heavier gels you just won't get that volume unless you pick your hair out. But I just wanted you guys to see what my hair looks like without me doing anything to it, just styling it a little bit. My hair has really great shine. My hair feels nice and soft, and my definition, my curls are nice and tight. So I really like this gel. I do want to see how this gel is going to perform with slicking my hair into a ponytail. I feel like it'll be really great at slicking my edges up. This is day 2 of my wash and go, and all I did was spray my hair with water, and then I just did that and I just let my hair go, and I really still love the way my hair look. I think that I can honestly wear this hairstyle for a 3rd day because the 2nd day my hair still looks pretty good. I'd most definitely have to moisturize my hair if I was to try to do it again tomorrow. As of today, like, do you guys see it? I love this gel. This gel just might be number one. This has been the best gel I've tried so far in 2020, and I'm just so happy that I gave it a try. Like, request my chariot, get ya. The doors open. Take the high road and hop in. So yes, I really like the way my hair turned out using this Urban Hydration Honey Laid and Slayed gel. Let me know, have you guys tried this gel? Let me know how you guys liked it. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscription button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Always remember to smile, guys, and stay positive and spread that positive vibe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.